out here.
Something really cool.
Yeah.
Okay, lift up your shirt and smack your nipple.
Smack.
Sorry.
Now just watch it.
Well, I have a sports bra on,
It gets
dude.
hard. Oh my god, you flick your nipple and it turns hard.
Just watch it.
What is that
Ain't no way, bro. Ain't no way.
You can just fucking, you don't have to fucking slap it, karate chop your own nipple, Lily.
I was just thinking, no, I want to try that.
Oh my god, she got a little too excited. She was like, oh my god, it's sweet time. Her nipple's a bongo drum, like literally it's not a bongo.
She's playing Osu on her nipple right now, bro.